You're like an old man. Well, fancy meeting you here. Hey guys, we have successfully chased the sun, as you can see, to Corpus Christi, Texas, and are hanging out on the beach of Mustang Island. So we are this week going to just share 5 of the most beneficial tools that we've used for boondocking as we kind of get into the world of boondocking, and we're going to share those with you today.
And boondocking is essentially where you don't have any hookups. So you take your camper, go somewhere like a beach, and just rely on the things that you brought with you.
Woo! So let's get to it.
Alright, so now we are going to show you one of our favorite features on our tag. Behind me and on top of our tag is our solar panel. So you can get the solar package added on to any of the new camp products, and it just chills on the top of your camper in the sun and charges the battery that you have included on your camper so that you can charge things like a laptop, like your phone, while you're out and about on your adventures. And it's great because when you're pulling it behind your vehicle, it's charging. When it's sitting out in the sun, it's charging. Now, not everything is going to work on battery power, but the interior fan will work, the interior, exterior, and kitchen lights will work, and the plug that is right here will work that has 2 USB plugs and one of those weird plugs that you have in your car that used to be for lighters, but then you can plug something in, like we have, that will allow you to plug in a legitimate outlet.
Alright friends, I'm going to show you my personal favorite aspect of our beautiful tag. So if you'll just follow me to our beautiful kitchen. As you know, I love coffee. And so in order to make coffee, I do need fire. So we're not using our good old-fashioned fire pit or making our own fire. We do have the ability to still cook things on our beautiful stove with the propane that we have attached to Gladys. And yes, we don't need hookups for this feature. So I'll show you my good old-fashioned coffee cup. Simply just fill this baby up, place it on my stove, turn on the propane and light the flame, and I'll have coffee in just a few minutes.
Another awesome aspect of Gladys, our tag, is the wheels. We have the Boondock package, so that allows us to have the boondocking wheels, which is great because these babies are bigger than some of the wheels you'll see on those massive house RVs. So these wheels allow us to essentially go anywhere our hearts desire. So we've taken these to Yellowstone. Now we're on the beach here. They get us where we need to go without needing to worry if we're ever going to get stuck somewhere or buried in the sand, because we won't with these.
Alright, now maybe not the most beautiful aspect of camping, but definitely a very necessary part of camping is, of course, the toilet. So what do we do in our little camper? As you can see, is pretty tiny and, as you well assume, does not have a toilet. So what the heck do we do? We purchased a privacy tent, which has been fantastic for boondocking, especially when there are no bathrooms available. We just pitch our tent right next to Gladys, and I will also show you our little portable toilet with biodegradable bags. This has been a lifesaver for boondocking and definitely allows for more comfort while you're camping, especially without any public restrooms. Alright, I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek. So this is our wonderful camp privacy tent. And voila, we have our beautiful toilet. But also, the wonderful thing about this tent is that you can use it to take showers as well. So it's kind of a multi-use or multi-purpose tent.
Another important aspect whenever you're camping is having water. And it can be difficult because you're not going to be having access to hookups or water while you're boondocking. So we have this handy dandy 20-liter 5-gallon jug that we take with us all the time, everywhere when we're camping, so that no matter what, we're going to have at least 5 gallons of fresh water that we can use to drink, shower, cook, clean dishes, whatever we need. Now you'll notice in the kitchen, we do have a sink, and there is an 8-gallon water tank, which is stored underneath of the sink that we can use and fill up with fresh water and have to wash our dishes and use all of that. However, sometimes we do like to winter camp, so having that extra 5 gallons when our camper is winterized is really helpful. Plus, you can never have enough water in case of an emergency situation, so it's always great to have that extra 5-gallon jug.
No.
Thanks so much. Wow.
I hope that these 5 tips that have really helped us in our boondocking experience help any of you out who are especially just getting into boondocking, because it can absolutely be intimidating. I know for me, I was a little intimidated at first. I don't know about this guy over here. But hopefully this will help you out. And also, if you have any suggestions for us as we are just getting out into the boondocking scene and exploring some of our options, please let us know in the comments. We would absolutely appreciate it.
All right, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!